Hi, today we are going to talk about expanding triple brackets, that is three brackets. So I have taken x plus y times p plus q times a plus b. So what are we going to do here? We are going to take two brackets and expand. Then finally that answer we are going to multiply with the other bracket. Okay, I'm going to take first two brackets here. That is x plus y times p plus q, that is x times p plus q and y times p plus q. So x times p, xp, x times q, xq, y times p, yp, y times q, yq. Now you have the answer for the first two brackets. So you can multiply this with the third bracket. So I'm going to write again xp plus xq plus yp plus yq times a plus b. So I'm going to multiply this everything by a. That is xpa plus xqa plus ypa plus yqa. Then I'm going to multiply everything by b. That is xpb plus xqb plus ypb plus yqb. That is the final answer for that. Example 1, that is x plus 2 times x minus 3 times x minus 4. So I'm gonna take these two and expand. X plus 2 times x minus 3, that is x times x minus 3, x times x minus 3, then plus 2 times x minus 3, plus 2 times x minus 3, then x times x, x squared, x times minus 3 minus 3x, plus 2 times x plus 2x, plus 2 times minus 3 minus 6. Then you can see here like terms. You can simplify and write x to the power 2 minus 3x plus 2x, that is minus x, and minus 6. Now I can take this answer and multiply by this bracket. So x squared minus x minus 6 multiplied by x minus 4. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this entire bracket by x. So x times x to the power 2, that is x to the power 3. X times minus x squared. X times minus 6 minus 6x. Then I'm going to multiply this entire bracket by minus 4. That is minus 4 times x squared, that is minus 4x squared, minus 4 times minus 6 plus 4x, minus 4 times minus 6 plus 24. Then check the like terms, that is x to the power 2 and 4x to the power 2 minus 6x plus 4x. X to the power 3 minus x to the power 2 minus 4x to the power 2, that is minus 5x to the power 2 minus 6x plus 4x, that is minus 2x plus 24. That is the final answer. Okay, example number 2, that is x minus 3 times x minus 2 whole thing to the power 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this x minus 2 whole thing to the power 2 first and multiply by this x minus 3 bracket. Okay, I'm going to write x minus 2 to the power 2 means x minus 2 times x minus 2. I'm going to use FOIL method here. FOIL method means firsts, outsides, insides, and lasts. So x times x firsts, that is x to the power 2, then outsides, that is x times minus 2, that is minus 2x, then insides, that is minus 2 times x, minus 2x, then lasts, that is minus 2 times minus 2, that is plus 4. Then you can simplify these two, that is x to the power 2 minus 2x minus 2x minus 4x plus 4. Okay, now I'm going to multiply this answer by x minus 3. X to the power 2 minus 4x plus 4 times x minus 3. So I'm going to multiply entire bracket by x. X times x to the power 2, that is x to the power 3. X times minus 4x minus 4x squared. X times 4, that is 4x. Then I multiply entire bracket by minus 3. That is minus 3 times x squared minus 3x squared. Minus 3 times minus 4x plus 12x. Minus 3 times 4 minus 12. Now, like terms, I can see here minus 4x squared minus 3x squared plus 4x plus 12x. X to the power 3 minus 4x squared minus 3x squared minus 7x squared plus 4x plus 12x, that is plus 16x minus 12. So x to the power 3 minus 7x squared plus 16x minus 12 is the answer. Okay, example number 3, that is 2x plus 1 to the power 3 plus 3 bracket x plus 1 to the power 3. So I have to expand these brackets separately, and finally I have to add. That is 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1. 2x times 2x plus 1, that is 2x times 2x plus 1, then plus 1 times 2x plus 1. So 2x times 2x, that is 4x squared. 2x times 1, that is 2x. 1 times 2x, that is also 2x. 1 times 1, that is 1. Then I have like terms 2x and 2x. Then the answer is 4x squared. 2x add 2x, that is 4x plus 1. Then this answer multiplied by 2x plus 1. 4x squared plus 4x plus 1 multiplied by 2x plus 1. Entire bracket multiplied by 2x. So 2x times 4x squared, that is 8x to the power 3. 2x times 4x, that is 8x squared. 2x times 1, that is 2x plus 2x. Then I multiply entire bracket by plus 1. So multiply by plus 1 means nothing changes. So 1 times 4x to the power 2, 1 times 4x, 4x, 1 times 1, that is 1. Then like terms, 8x squared, 4x squared, 2x, 4x. So 8x to the power 3, 8x squared plus 4x squared, that is 12x squared. Then 2x add 4x, that is 6x plus 1. Then I'm going to expand x plus 1 to the power 3. X plus 1 times x plus 1 times x plus 1. So first expand these two. X times x plus 1, x times x plus 1, then plus 1 times x plus 1, plus 1 times x plus 1. That is x times x, x to the power 2, x times plus 1 plus x, plus 1 times x plus x, plus 1 times 1, that is plus 1. Then these two are like terms. So when you simplify, you get x to the power 2 plus 2x plus 1. Then I'm going to multiply this answer by x plus 1. X to the power 2 plus 2x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 1. That means entire bracket I multiply by x. X times x to the power 2, that is x to the power 3. X times 2x, 2x squared. X times 1, that is x. Then I'm going to multiply this bracket by plus 1. That is plus 1 times x squared, plus 1 times 2x plus 2x, plus 1 times 1, that is 1. Then like terms, that is 2x squared plus x squared, x and 2x. So x to the power 3 plus 2x squared plus x squared plus 3x squared plus x plus 2x, that is plus 3x and plus 1. Then I have 2x plus 1 to the power 3 expansion here, and x plus 1 to the power 3 expansion here, and I have to multiply this answer by 3 and add to this one. 2x plus 1 to the power 3 means this answer, 8x to the power 3 plus 12x squared plus 6x plus 1, then plus 3 times this answer, x to the power 3 plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. Then I'm gonna multiply this bracket by 3 and I'm gonna continue writing this, 8x to the power 3 plus 12x squared plus 6x plus 1 and plus 3 times x to the power 3, that is 3x to the power 3 plus 3 times 3x squared, that is 9x squared plus 3 times 3x, 9x, 3 times plus 1, that is plus 3. Now like terms, 8x to the power 3, 3x to the power 3, 12x to the power 2, 9x to the power 2, 6x, 9x, 1 and 3. Okay, 8x to the power 3 add 3x to the power 3, that is 11x to the power 3. Then 12x to the power 2 add 9x to the power 2, that is 9 add 12, that is 21x to the power 2. Then 6x add 9x, that is 15x. 1 plus 3, that is plus 4. So the final answer is 11x to the power 3 plus 21x to the power 2 plus 15x plus 4. I hope you understood. See you in the next video.